Have you ever had a conversation with somebody for, a little bit amount of time, and then you went on about your day, and then you find out later that it was their birthday, and you didn't actually get to tell them happy birthday when you were talking? Yeah, we're going to solve that problem today. So I wanted to make an app that can basically send birthday text messages just automatically, without me having to even think about it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the interface to work, quite nicely with the functionality of the app. Okay, so this is sort of like it's rough clay. It's more or less what I want it to look like, right? So we have, the birthdays on record. Basically all the birthdays we have for people will be listed here with their dates. We can, delete these records if we don't want to automatically text them anymore. We can edit them if we made a mistake when we were creating them. And then we can also go ahead and add new birthdays so that we can add them to the list of people we want to send messages to, right? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to work on is the logic for creating a birthday, and what really is a birthday in terms of the business logic of this application. Okay, so now I've sort of set up the form implementation for adding birthdays. So now if you were to add a birthday for, say, someone named John Doe, you can add a phone number. I'm not going to add extra phone numbers now because none of my friends have birthdays right now, so I'm not going to randomly text people. I'm going to use my own phone number. However, I'm using a Twilio trial account, and because of that, I'm actually kind of forced to use my own phone number until I get an actual verified and paid account with Twilio. The unique message again, I'm going to say, I love you, John Doe, right? And then you set their birthday. I'm going to use today, right? Today is the 8th of December, just so, we can, it'll be easier to test if the dates are today. We'll create the birthday. Now the birthday's on record. Okay, so now that we have our birthdays on record, let's go ahead and start implementing the Twilio functionality so that we can start sending text messages. Let's start getting set up with this. You're going to see information right here. It's going to be blurred out on my screen, but it shouldn't be on yours. You can copy your account SID, and you're also going to have to copy your authentication token. Additionally, when you sign up for a Twilio account, you will get a testing number if you're on a trial account. You're also going to need that test number that you get to pick out. And then when you actually want to send messages, you need to add your own number to Twilio as well. So there are going to be two phone numbers that are important. Your own phone number to test with, and then the test phone number that Twilio gives you. So when you receive text messages, you're going to be receiving these messages from the Twilio text phone number that you set up. Okay. Cool. So now if I go back to my console and try the Rails runner and try sending the message, you can see here, happy birthday, John Doe. We have the code set up, but nothing's actually going to happen. So we need to basically schedule tasks to run in the background. And the way we can do that is using what we call cron jobs. So cron jobs are basically just scheduled tasks that run in the background of your server. And you can set exactly what time you want them to happen using basically minutes, hours, weeks, days, and months. Right? And that's basically it. That's the entire application. So say you're talking with a friend, you barely met them or something, and they happen to bring up their birthday. Well, now you just come here, add their name, phone number, their birthday. Once you save it, the back end of the application will basically take care of the rest of it. And it's going to send birthday messages out whenever it's time. And that solves this sort of awkward problem of forgetting to say happy birthday.